Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, RJ again, and for today's video, we're going to talk about the Atomic credit card. So this video is going to be a detailed review since I've been using this since October, and I'll be sharing with you guys the 12 reasons why I love this credit card. Of course, before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get started! So, sa mga wala pang idea about Atome is a buy now, pay later mobile app. So, it basically functions pretty much the same as SPay Later if familiar kayo doon. But the difference is that pag SPay Later, pwede mo siyang gamitin lang sa Shopee mismo. So, with Atomic credit card, you can use it for online shopping, online payments, or in-store payments as well. Please remember or take note guys na it's not a bank, it's pretty much like a mobile app, pero it functions as a credit card. So in order to apply, the eligibility requirements, you must be at least 18 years of age, must hold a valid Philippine ID card. So kahit isang primary ID lang meron kayo guys, pwede na. And then, no minimum income required, which is like, I think, a good thing. Kasi usually with banks, di ba, pag nag-apply ka sa credit card, merong mga minimum like monthly income or annual income na nire-require. So with Atomic credit card, wala. So the first reason why I love my Atomic credit card is it doesn't have an annual fee. Like, no annual fee talaga to guys. So, unlike other credit cards na need mo pa magpa-waive or need mo pa mag-spend ng certain amount para ma-waive yung annual fee for life, with this guys, as soon as ma-approve kayo, wala kayong babayaran na kahit na anong annual fee. Second, just like a credit card, wala tong interest as long as you pay it in full, like every month. But with Atomic credit card, guys, meron silang up to 40 days. So, within 40 days, kapag nabayaran mo yung bill mo, wala kang ma-incur na kahit na anong interest as in 0%. So, just like a usual credit card, meron din silang mga flexible installment plans. To be honest, hindi ko pa itong nagagamit so far. More on, lang kasi ako, buy now, pay later lang. So, ayun, yun yung nakalagay sa website nila. So, it's a good thing kung gusto nyong kumuha ng installment through Atome as well. And I believe they can offer up to 6 months of installment plan. For the fourth one, guys, fast online application. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng timeline kung gaano katagal yung process bago ako na-approve, bago ko na-activate yung card and so on. So, no October 25, in-install ko yung mobile app nila and then nag-apply ako through their app. So, basically, mag-upload ka lang ng mga primary ID mo, like typical things na gagawin mo pag mag-open ng online bank or like wallet, like e-wallet, ganyan. So, sabi dun sa app, it usually takes about 2 to 3 business days bago ma-approve. So, on October 27, naka-receive ako ng email and text message from them saying na approve na ako for my Atomic credit card. Now, I can't remember exactly kung kailan siya na-deliver kasi if I remember it right, hindi ko agad siya inactivate the day ng delivery. So, parang ilang days pa yung inabot bago ko siya na-activate. Basically, before November 2nd, na-deliver na siya sa akin. And then, nung November 2, guys, inactivate ko na siya. So, true to its claim naman talaga sila na fast online application. And mabilis lang din na-deliver yung card. For number 5, guys, customizable card color options. So, basically, pag nag-submit kayo ng application, pwede kayong mamili kung anong color ng card yung gusto nyo. So, meron silang black, pink, and silver. Since pink is my favorite color, pink yung kinuha ko. Ayan! So, number 6, meron silang user-friendly app with great interface. So, madali siyang matutunan, madali siyang gamitin. Basically, it's very user-friendly. And hindi na siya naglalag. Never ako naka-experience na parang down yung app nila or may maintenance or whatsoever na hindi ko ma-open yung account ko. So, ano siya? It's cool. Maganda siya. Number 7, guys, you earn points for transactions. So, like a typical credit card, para siyang rewards card. So, every time na nagsispend ka, ginagamit mo siya, meron kang mga na-earn na points, and then yung points na yun, pwede mo i-convert to like vouchers, discounts, or whatever, kung ano man yung available dun sa app. And then yung mga rewards na available, nandoon din mismo sa app. So, madali lang siyang i-claim. Number 8, they have real-time notifications for every transaction. So every time na magkakaskas kayo sa yung credit card, gagamitin mo siya for online payment, you'll receive a notification na ginamit yung credit card mo. And yung notification na yun, guys, hindi siya text message ha. Pero siya sa mismong app, tapos meron din silang ini-email sa'yo. So ayun, mas natatrack mo accurately yung mga swipes mo. And then if ever man na may gumamit na ibang tao na credit card mo, may kita mo agad since real time yung posting niya sa app. Number 9, like I mentioned, it literally functions as a normal credit card. I already mentioned this in the first few minutes of the video. So ayun, para lang talaga siyang credit card. So hindi siya mahirap matutunan, especially from credit card ka na. And it's a good like starting or like training ground kapag gusto nyong mag-credit card in the near future. So hindi kayo mahihirapan, as in sobrang dali lang. For the payment naman, guys, yung payment niya is via bank transfer. So basically, meron kang makikita doon na reference number na need mong ilagay pa bang pa-process ka ng payment. Kunwari, so for me, nagbabayad ako through PTI. So kinakopy ko lang yung reference number and then may tutorial naman kung paano ka magbabayad. And then, kapag nagbayad ka na, real-time din yung posting and then real-time din yung replenishment. As soon as mabayaran mo na siya, babalik na yung credit limit mo instantly. Make sure lang to choose InstaPay. Number 11, they have very detailed transaction history. Like I said, real-time yung posting ng mga sinwipe mo. So, makikita mo doon yung history kung saan mo siya ginamit. So, if Grab or Foodpanda man yan, nag-Shopee ka man, nakalagay yan doon sa mismong app. So, matatrack mo siya ng madali. For number 12, guys, meron silang credit limit increase if good payer ka. Tapos, nag-offer din sila ng referral bonus for inviting friends. I think yung referral bonus more of like, tataas yung credit limit mo kapag nag-invite ka ng mga friends to like join Atomic Credit Card as well. So, that's it, guys. Those are the 12 reasons why I love my Atomic Credit Card. Actually, medyo mababa expectation ko sa Atomic kasi marami akong nakitang negative review about them na hindi daw nagagamit for in-store payment, minsan daw nag-failed purchase. Pero kasi with me, the reason why I got Atomic Credit Card is because I want to use it for Grab and Foodpanda exclusively. So, in the past few months na ginagamit ko yung Atomic Credit Card, dun ko lang talaga siya ginagamit, either Grab or Foodpanda. So, I haven't experienced using it in store. So, yun, please keep that in mind. So, for my credit limit naman, guys, I only got 5,000 pesos as my initial credit limit. And then, recently lang, this February, nag-increase yung credit limit ko to 9,000 pesos since good payer ako. So, ayun, for me, mababa masyado yung credit limit nila, but it's understandable since it's a mobile app, it's not an actual bank. And I believe, guys, Atomic Credit Card is a good option, especially kapag ayaw nyo nung masyadong maraming process sa pag-a-apply ng credit card. Usually kasi ganun sa mga banks. And then madami nire-require na documents and stuff. Dito kasi sa Atomic, guys, one valid ID lang. So yun, that's it for the video. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comment section and I'll make sure to respond.